It is I, Karate Cat, here for an exciting edition, whoa, here on Kids in Government, where today we are going to talk about street sweeping. Whoa, what was that? Did you see that cool special effect? It happened when I said street sweeping. Oh, so now every time I say street sweeping, okay, I'll stop doing it. Hey, let's just watch them do what they do best here in the road with their sweepers. Yeah. We are in the middle of street sweeping. I better just say SS. And now joining me is Street Supervisor Bob Lacina, my old buddy. How you doing, Bob?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. We are doing the SS because you know what SS stands for?
What's SS stand for?
Street sweeping!
All right.
All right, now Bob, why do we do this in the city every year?
Well, every spring we got to go around and sweep the streets and get all the debris from all the winter off the roads.
Very good. Now what happens once you do sweep the roadways? Ha ha ha, because I didn't want to have that special effect. What do you do with all of the dirt, Bob?
The dirt gets piled down at the old PW and then we sift through it. It gets screened and then recycled.
What's a PW?
The PW. It's the old Public Works building.
Oh, yeah, I should have figured that. Hey, looks like the water truck is coming. We better get out of the way here. Thanks a lot, Bob. I'll talk to you later. That's a street sweeper. Hey, it didn't do the special effect this time. That's okay, we've seen that enough this episode. So until next time, this is Karate Cat saying we will see you next time. Hiya! 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 Oh, I karate chopped myself into a hole in the ground. See you later, folks! Hiya!